Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be using the Maniology's nail stamping starter kit. And in this kit comes the Chinese ceramic porcelain nail art palette with the blue nail stamping polish, the scraper, as well as the stamper. I did do an official unboxing video of this kit, so I will leave that in the description. But for that video, we used some Christmas themed palettes. So for this one, I wanted to get my hands on the Chinese porcelain. I love Asian art and the way it looks. It's just so elegant and beautiful. So that's what we're going to be using today. Be sure before you stamp that you wash your stamper off with a little bit of warm water and dish soap. So in the starter kit, it does come with a nail stamping polish and a top coat. These dry on their own, so a UV light is not necessary. But the nail stamping polish is a little bit thicker than normal polish, so just be sure you're working a little bit faster because it does dry pretty quickly. Maniology does have a lot of different nail stamping palettes to choose from. This is just the one that I chose in particular just because I love the Chinese arts, like I said. But definitely, if you want to try nail stamping, they did provide me with a code that can give you 10% off of your purchase. If you are interested, I will leave that information in the description box. So you want to apply your nail stamping polish about halfway onto the design that you're looking to pick up with the nail stamper, and then swipe very gently at a 45-degree angle, and then use a rolling motion very gently on top of the design, and it should pick up and look something like this. But there are some learning curves when it comes to nail stamping. Like I said, I've only done this a handful of times now that I've been able to practice with my Maniology kit. So definitely be patient with yourself. But essentially, you just want to make sure that you're not putting too little polish, too much polish, and then being very gentle when you're working, but working at a pretty decent pace because the polish does dry very quickly. If you do happen to get any unwanted nail stamping polish, here I am just taking a little bit of acetone and wiping that right off. In between stamps, you do want to clean your palette off, and here I'm just using some acetone with a lint-free wipe and making sure that the design I want to pick up is really clean. And to clean off your nail stamper, you can use Scotch tape, you can use a lint roller. I decided to use a lint roller today just because I didn't want to have to keep ripping off pieces of Scotch tape. So again, here I am just filling up my design halfway with a pretty decent amount of the nail stamping polish, swiping very gently at a 45-degree angle, and then using a gentle rolling motion to pick up that design. And here is what that looks like. When I was first doing nail stamping, I think I was pushing down really hard and being a little bit aggressive, but this is a very gentle process. You don't have to do too much of the work. Just let the nail stamper do all the work for you, just very gently rolling that design onto the nail like this. And here I'm just picking up that little piece. But it's so satisfying. I think I said that before, but guys, it is so satisfying just seeing that beautiful art go onto the nail so easily. I did forget to mention for these nails, the base color is just a plain white gel polish with 2 coats and then a matte top coat. But for the remaining of the nails, it is just going to be the nail stamping polishes and the top coat that comes with the Maniology starter kit. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process for the rest of the nails. here is our final look. I love the way that these turned out, you guys. The colors are so beautiful, and it looks like you took forever to do these nails, and it literally took only 10 to 15 minutes. Super, super cute. Again, I will leave all the information in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.